1. Introduction. DJI has long been a pioneer in the drone industry, setting benchmarks for both professional and consumer-grade UAVs. Among their best-selling lines, the Mini series has garnered massive popularity due to its compact size, powerful features, and user-friendly approach. Now, DJI is preparing to launch the most anticipated version yet, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This new model is expected to break new ground with features like LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance, an upgraded 1-inch camera sensor, and up to 50 minutes of flight time, all within a sub-250G frame. This article explores every aspect of the DJI Mini 5 Pro and why it could be the most revolutionary drone in 2025. 2. Evolution of the DJI Mini series. The DJI Mini series began with the Mavic Mini, a game-changer that made drone flying more accessible. It offered basic features in a compact frame. The Mini 2 improved transmission and image quality, while the Mini 3 Pro introduced obstacle avoidance and vertical shooting. The Mini 4 Pro added advanced tracking and better flight stability. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to incorporate all these features and more, pushing the limits of what a lightweight drone can achieve. 3. Design and build. Maintaining a sub-250G weight class, the Mini 5 Pro is designed for maximum portability and legal convenience in many countries. DJI is rumored to use new lightweight composite materials that ensure structural durability without increasing weight. The drone features an aerodynamic design that reduces drag and enhances wind resistance. Foldable arms make it pocket-sized, perfect for travel vloggers, influencers, and adventurers. 4. Camera innovations. One of the standout features is the upgraded 1-inch sensor, a massive improvement over the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor. This allows for better dynamic range, low-light performance, and higher resolution images. DJI is also expected to introduce a redesigned gimbal system with 360-degree freedom, including vertical shooting and an upward tilt. These upgrades make the Mini 5 Pro ideal for content creators, landscape photographers, and commercial use. 5. Flight performance. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is anticipated to boast up to 50 minutes of flight time, a significant leap over its predecessor. This extended flight capability is likely achieved through improved battery efficiency and intelligent power management. The drone will also feature upgraded motors and ESCs, electronic speed controllers, for more stable flight, even in windy conditions. 6. Obstacle avoidance and safety features. A major highlight is the rumored inclusion of LiDAR, light detection and ranging sensors. Unlike traditional vision sensors, LiDAR provides more accurate and real-time mapping of surroundings. This makes obstacle avoidance smarter and more reliable. Combined with LED landing lights and precision landing sensors, the Mini 5 Pro will be beginner-friendly while offering advanced safety for professionals. 7. Connectivity and control. DJI is expected to launch the Mini 5 Pro with an upgraded remote controller, possibly with a built-in screen and enhanced transmission capabilities. With DJI OcuSync 4.0, users can expect lower latency, higher resolution live feed, and a longer control range. The DJI Fly app will likely include new intelligent features, customizable flight paths, and real-time analytics to assist pilots of all levels. 8. Software and intelligent flight modes. The Mini 5 Pro will come equipped with an expanded suite of intelligent flight modes. Expect updates to Focus Track, Quick Shots, and Master Shots, all powered by AI for enhanced subject tracking and cinematic effects. Real-time editing features within the DJI Fly app will let users edit and share content instantly, streamlining the workflow for influencers and marketers. 9. Comparison with competitors. In the ultralight drone category, the Mini 5 Pro will compete with Autel Evo Nano Plus, Skidio 2 Plus, and other emerging brands. However, its feature-rich package, brand reliability, and likely aggressive pricing make it a standout. DJI's ecosystem and customer support add further value, making it a safer investment for both new and experienced drone pilots. 10. User experience and testimonials. While the drone hasn't launched yet, early leaks and beta tester feedback suggest a highly positive reception. Testers have highlighted the drone's intuitive control, remarkable stability, and impressive camera output. These first-hand experiences build anticipation and confidence in the Mini 5 Pro's capabilities. 11. Pricing and availability. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch in July 2025 with a price tag around $999. This price point positions it as a high-value offering considering its professional-grade features in an amateur-friendly frame. It is anticipated to be available globally through DJI's official store and authorized retailers. 12. Conclusion. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to be a revolutionary product in the drone market. With its lightweight design, powerful camera, intelligent flight features, and advanced safety mechanisms, it perfectly balances portability with performance. Whether you're a travel vlogger, a professional photographer, or someone new to drones, the Mini 5 Pro promises to be the ultimate tool for aerial content creation in 2025 and beyond.